Hi everybody, and I'm playing Dip By, and we're doing Go away. And I'm doing lycantropy part 6. What? Oh my god, my mom. Good news everybody. Oh my gosh! I hit the stupid button again. I hate it when I do that. Hey guys, do you hate it when you hit like the weird button that like F12 without hitting FN? Did you play on what I play on? I mean, it's really horrible, especially when you get annoyed all the time inside of the daytime because of, I don't know what you get annoyed by, but I'm not going to tell you what I get annoyed by. Isn't that the same thing, right? Isn't be and by the same thing? I love how it shoots quick. What? Hold on a second. I want to see if this guy just smashed her or not. I mean, like, I don't literally even do that.
Mom,
you can do. Oh my gosh!
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You're ready for me to come?
Hold on.
Yeah. Did you step away and look at it in the light to make sure?
Don't.
And did you get all the sticky stuff off the by the back from the ice cream?
Yeah. No, this is not the time to say no. No, stop it. Oh my gosh, why do people always have to do this to me? It annoys me. No, I don't want to. No, come on. Oh my gosh, I found a cat.
So go inspect it instead of playing your stupid little games.
I'm waiting for my video stuff.
Yeah, Jane. One thing that annoys me, my big sister. There you go. I named one thing. If anybody wanted me to name anything.
Do you really want to put in your mouth? I can't it on your computer.
Well, no. Yeah. When you do.
If you want any screen time, you will not do that.
You won't.
I'm waiting for your laundry to be in the machine.
Are you kidding me? What happened? Why don't you ever shut up?
Because you don't ever shut up, and then for my brother. There.
Dude, just like, hi. I don't want to die.
Think Jane's gonna be that mean to her husband?
Probably. I mean, literally, probably.
No, I'm your husband.
She's probably, I told you, she's probably gonna do that.
You are Joseph? Yeah. Okay. I have to tell Daddy.
First I have to be this. I'm gonna become the gunner because I really hate the destroyers though. The spawn rate of the darts. You know what that stuff is called? Like, right. Those like unrealistic fashion beauty standards. Don't you wish you could turn those unrealistic fashion beauty standards upside down like a frown on a clown? And also the ground is brown because it's winter outside. Oh, and also I lost my crown. That makes me sad. Really? I don't know how to do that. Because my thing for my recording stuff is gone. As usual. Not really as usual, because it never is usual. It's going to happen to me. Then. It's like, you know what's really funny? How people use the destroyer to like ram. You know what I once did? It wasn't really recording, but I use a streamliner to ram. Jack? No, Jack. You remember you were my No! Hi. Jack the Prio jump. It's called Prio jump, Claire. The beast at nothing. Because, dude, look, I can totally actually kill him. I can actually kill this dude. His name is the Beast. As in Mr. Beast. The cat thing. The cat guy. You know, the cat guy. The Beast is about to die. Because it's ugly. It's not because it's ugly, it's because it's a beast. And the a beast, all the beasts that I know about, die. Let's go. I'm actually voting the beast for this mound because it looks better. Because it looks better, yeah. Mr. Beast does. Oh my god, what are those darts doing here? Oh, yay. Now I have to respawn at level 12, which really annoys me. Why? I have no idea. That's technically why I said it annoys me. Because I have no idea why it annoys me. Because level 12, oh right, because I don't have that other Dude, this guy's just like, I'm gonna shoot you! I'm just like, I can shoot you, you know? It's like, just like, no, if you shoot me, I'm gonna shoot you. I mean, you're a big destroying your... Get the phone! No! Leave me! You're so... You suck yourself. Yourself. Why you kill me? You're so...
No, come check it.
Please don't do this to me! The trolls are just like, oh, I'm so gonna kill this guy. It's like, no! The trolls are so slow anyways. Who would even want those things? A lion high. I don't think that's how you like pronounce his name, but it looks like it, right? I'm just gonna do it this way because it's quicker. I don't have to do everything that I usually have to do on everything. Yeah, pretty much I have to do a lot of stuff at home, as in do the laundry, do the dishes, do everything. Yeah, I have to do everything. Especially make my sisters stop annoying me. I don't know how annoying. Do you have any annoying siblings? What I'm talking about is sisters. Because they are more annoying than like any sibling that you could imagine. My gosh, my gosh, my gosh, my gosh. I don't want to die right now. Oh my gosh. Machine gun. Hello, person? Where did it go? Book, 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 book. No spawn. I'm just gonna kill the other guy. Get XI trolling. This dude, he's just like, no spawn kills. Hey, this guy's a man. We're just like, I spawn killed, no spawn kill. And I'm being pelleted. And they have pellets chasing me. You know why? Because there's a stupid thing that I actually really want to be. Chasing me with his cute little pellets that are gonna kill me. What? I'm talking. What's wrong with talking? I mean, first those pellets are ugly. I don't want to die. I want to die from the pellets anyways, but still, pellets are really annoying because they kill you. No, nobody knows what pellets actually do. They shoot out like bolts from like, you know, there's like this stuff that happened inside, like it was like syrup that like blew up like a giant tank full of the syrupicina that's technically syrup, and like it blew a whole entire. Whatever, I'm not gonna talk about it. Hi. You're kind of inside of my way, mister. Hey, yeah, it's mine now. Zzz! It seems like a festival name. Zzz! Slip and slide. The best fun outdoor thing that you can do in your life. Because it's horrible. Okay, sorry. So guys, about this. I want to be inside the top 10 really bad. And I'm not going to be inside the top 10 because nobody lets me be inside the top 10. Your mom. Kill him now, pellets. I'm like a million pellets shooting out of me. How are you not touching these? Kill him! Yes, let's go! It's beautiful. Especially then in level, this level. What? your mom. I do not want your mom. It's boogers. Let's go, Gunner. Let's do this. It's a cute little. I got so many pets. They're so weak, but so harmful at the same time. Right? Your mom. Uranus. Oh my gosh, your mom is at my. Oh my gosh. Blizzard's sister. Look, it's so weak. I want to be a stream miner. Most likely not going to happen because I have people on my. I was saying I have people annoying me.
David is an idiot.
Don't call me an idiot, please. Your mom. LaQuina. What is your name? Oh my gosh! I'm being attacked from all sides, which is annoying. Which means I can do this. Yeah, my favorite. And it's really horrible. I'd rather just have autofire on because it's fun. Because you know. Oh hi.
How are you?
Who are you? Who are you? Yeah, your mom. I'm your mom. Oh my gosh, your mom! Your mom. We were supposed to be friends a few days ago. Guess what, everybody? I died! Because I'm the best at it. You know, even the best people at this game died. I mean, literally. Who has not died in their, gay video games in their whole entire I mean, literally, guys, I want to go to the middle. I hope there's actually pentagons. I'm like my, fifth, lycantropy 5th video, which is trappers. Are you a trapper? Ah! Don't call yourself a god because you're ugly. Oh my gosh! It's like yoga is good for your. What? Is there a Spryer? There's a Spryer! Your mom! Say your mom.
They're stalking you.
No, I'm not stalking anybody.
Yes.
Okay? I don't stalk people. I don't stalk people at all, people. Just told. Oh, by the way, guys, if you, shout out to everybody that's watching this video, if you find some of the hidden items, as in 15 pentagons, yes, as in the pentagon nest, and a lot of other stuff, like 1,000 squares, that's another thing that you could find, and comment down. Either call the number 10101, the totally unfake number that you should totally call if you know all the answers to all my questions, like what's 1 divided by 2? I mean, I know that because, to be honest, I don't know what 1 divided by 2 is error. What? Dad! My dad knows what 1 divided by 2 is. Oops! What did I do this time? Oh my god! What? Okay, guys, so you never saw any of that stuff? So you have to listen to my. You don't have to listen to my. By the way, he's trying to get the girl. You idiotic person. What did you say? What did you say I did? You tried to kill. Did not. You're gonna. Wait, free heal! It's not a free heal? Never mind, I don't get any free heals. You know why? Because nobody. Do you have any regen at all? Not fully! Yeah, you heard me, not fully. Then I get the regen. I'm not, because you told me to. And you're ugly. No, Mom, can you please close the door? It's 2 degrees outside. Actually, it's 80 degrees. Making sure I'm gonna graduate. Shut up. Making sure this too. Okay, one sec. Okay, so everybody, I'll leave up the video right here. Hope you all enjoyed today's video. Nobody enjoyed it, by the way. Okay, so I hope that you all enjoyed this video. By the way, don't buy my stupid sisters annoying me. Well, they're not my room, so they don't get to complain. Shut up. Okay, bye. Have a great time. Also, song inside the description.